What's up guys, good morning. I forget what day of sleeping that Tesla it is, but we're back. We're awake. I'm in Washington now. If you haven't seen my other videos, we spent like 5 days driving up, sleeping in Oregon. Now I'm in my friend's garage. It has been amazing, but it's time to move on. We're moving up more north, so I'm gonna go say my goodbyes. We're about to get on the road, and we got some stuff to do today. First, let's drive to my other friend's house. All right, ready? Let's get this. We arrived at Microsoft! Okay, so we'll go look at Microsoft later, I promise. But we went to Torklift because we are picking up a tow hitch, for my friend's wife's car, and we're installing it later. It was pretty straightforward. If you want a tow hitch on your vehicle, especially your Tesla, to make it more functional, I would definitely recommend it, because you could tow bikes, you could tow like a little storage box, you could tow an American flag, like you can tow tons of things with this thing. So Torklift, definitely really cool. I don't have a discount, but I'll have their link in the description below, and just go check out what kind of tow hitches you can put on your car. And they're pretty cool. They got a lot of stuff there. We upgraded out of the Tesla. Woo! Look at that. Boom. Into the Corvette. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. We have arrived. We are at Brett's wrap place. Okay, now how do I open the Corvette door? Let's see. Wait, it's locked. Can I unlock it? Unlocked. Oh. We're about to do what's called a wash party. I don't really wash my car like ever. I kind of wait for it to rain, but we're going to do a wash party with the new Model 3 and my Model 3. And it's very dirty, like very, very dirty. You see all those bugs right there? And then you see all this? This is all cow spit. Oh, this is cool, but also my car, but this is cool. Okay, here you go. All right. Yeah, I kind of took this thing basically through a safari. We gotta clean the light bar too. Brought to you by Last Fit. Dirt and bugs brought to you by me. The whole inside is dirty too. Like I said, guys, safari. We really daily drive this thing, like legit, more than anyone. So we gotta get all of this clean. So on the safari, you feed the animals bread. It's like one loaf of bread for $5, and I thought we used all the bread that we bought, but turns out we didn't. There's a whole loaf of bread down here. Let me see if I can get it. I think we're gonna have to go to the back here. Oh, that's tight in there. How the heck am I gonna get? Maybe. It's so tight. Okay, I'm gonna use this little dongle adapter thing. I still can't get it. How the heck are we gonna? Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Dang it. It's so close. More forward. Oh, I think I just heard it crunch. I don't want bread pieces just going all over my car. I think we got it out. I think we broke it. No. No. Does that mean there's totally bread? There's bread everywhere. No. But we're going to use the LabYeti Sexy Cleaner and clean my car with Elon's Musky Nuts. We're gonna get it nice and woodsy up in there. Good morning, everyone. We got a lot to do today, so we're about to get to it. We've upgraded. We got the Corvette, we got the other Tesla, we got the other Teslas, and yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do. Let me show you. So first off, my car is completely clean. We did that yesterday, which is freaking wild. I have a humongous true carbon fiber diffuser for the Corvette in here, as well as a bunch of other stuff that we're going to do to the car. So I have these, I have some rotors or for the brakes back there, some new pads I believe, and I was just given this. So we got a lot of stuff. We're the pack mule today. We're the full pack mule, and hopefully we can do a lot of installs, and it's gonna be mainly focused on the Corvette today, but we'll see what Tesla stuff we can get done.
Like the stars had all aligned, I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire, and I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura, you have me.
We're about to board the Ferry, so we have the Corvette that we're doing all the Corvette things to. Bam! 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 We have another Tesla there. We have this Tesla. We're taking these two cars across the lake. This is the first time, you know, technically we're going overseas. So Tesla FPV overseas. This is my first time on a ferry. I'm so excited! Guys, we're going to a second story. What? Word up. That's that first layer of water down there. Funnel in, little sheepies, funnel in. It's like small time vibes. Lucky with the boat. Pretty nice. It's different. Restroom. Pretty warm in here too. We got a little lifeboat right here. A little Honda engine. Look at it, we be moving. Look at how fast that is. Guys, I just realized something. So the Tesla's GPS, I really hope this doesn't break it or anything, but the Tesla's GPS still thinks we are at the ferry port, and thank goodness we left earlier, because guys, look at that red, that deep red. That means there's heck of traffic there. We are now arriving over here. First time on a ferry. Thanks, Ecstatic. I really appreciate it. Manifesting one day, right? V12 Lamborghini. This thing is exotic. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And the blacked out windshield, everything is just so perfect. If you want to see us actually install a diffuser, that'll be on a separate channel. I'll try to have that in the description below the like button. It's a pretty fun video. It truly is, but like, yeah, we're just gonna skim over it for now. Because right now, it doesn't really fit. We need equipment. So we're going to Ace Hardware. We just stopped by to grab some pizza. So we have that ready for the exhaust and all the mods installed. Because can't be doing installs on an empty stomach. Maybe for Teslas, but not for a Corvette. Come on. Oh, that's strong. I was not ready for that. So after Fed and we got the tools from Ace, we were able to put everything back together. And by this time, they finished the exhaust. So now we go back to Washington. Actually, wait, we're already in Washington. Okay, we go back to Seattle. Okay, we're not even going back to second ferry ride of the, I don't know how to make a D with my hand, of the day. Welcome aboard. Our current ship is the Kit Spa. We are on the USS Kispa. We're back in Seattle. We got stuff to do. What have you found on the boat? Thank you so much for coming with me along today. And if you follow this entire series, like, thank you so much. It's been so fun living out of the Tesla. Make sure you stay subscribed or get subscribed to see the rest of the time that we live out of the Tesla, because it was 3 weeks that we were away from home.